off already.
Well, it's not standard, is it?
Oh my God, watch the tank! Millward?
Wow.
Will you feast your eyes, Millie?
If you're gonna make a couple of shows about Steve McQueen, what motorcycle are you gonna ride? Now, this frame was a game changer in the 60s.
Hi. And otherwise you hated me, yeah?
Yeah, for a little while.
That'd have been amazing, mate. It looks
Briefly.
like a cake.
It's always you who interrupts a tape.
Probably one of the scariest things I've done in my life. But I've got to tell you, man, we're saving another.